Hello, and welcome to a journey into the heart of Southeast Asia, to a nation often called the land of a million elephants. This is Laos, a country of breathtaking mountain landscapes, profound spirituality, and a gentle rhythm of life that flows with the majestic Mekong River. While its neighbors might be more famous, Laos offers something truly special, an intimate glimpse into a world where ancient traditions are still part of daily life. So, what makes Laos so unique? For starters, it's the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia. Its geography is dominated by rugged, forest-covered mountains, with its highest peak, Mount Baya, soaring to nearly 3,000 meters. This dramatic terrain has shaped everything, from its culture to its incredible biodiversity, sheltering countless ethnic groups and over 200 species of mammals. The lifeblood of Laos is, without a doubt, the mighty Mekong River. It forms a huge part of the border with Thailand and serves as the nation's main highway for transport. It's a source of food and a lifeline for agriculture. Imagine a river so central to a country's identity. That's the Mekong for Laos. Dotted across the landscape are incredible natural wonders, like the Bolivans Plateau in the south. It's famous for its coffee and waterfalls, and the mysterious plain of Jars in the north, which we'll explore a little later. The story of Laos stretches back to the 14th century and the powerful kingdom of Lanshan, which translates to the land of a million elephants. For centuries, it was a thriving trade hub, but history wasn't always kind. By the 18th century, the kingdom had split, and in the 19th century, it became part of French Indochina. After gaining independence in 1953, the country was plunged into the devastating Lao Civil War, often called the Secret War, because of the intense bombing campaigns it endured. Finally, in 1975, the Lao People's Democratic Republic was established, which remains the political system today. This tumultuous past has forged a people known for their incredible resilience and gentle spirit. At the very core of Laotian culture is Theravada Buddhism. It influences everything from social customs and vibrant festivals to the peaceful pace of everyday life. The most sacred symbol of this faith is the magnificent gold-covered stupa, Pha That Luang in the capital city Vientiane. While the majority Lao Lom, or Lolom Lao, follow Buddhism, the highlands are home to diverse ethnic groups like the Hmong and Yao, who practice their own unique animist and spiritual traditions. One of the most beautiful customs you'll see is the bachi ceremony. It's an ancient practice where cotton strings are tied around your wrist to bring good luck and strengthen community bonds. It's a heartfelt ritual that marks all of life's important moments. Etiquette here is all about respect. The traditional greeting is the nop, a graceful, prayer-like gesture. Remember, touching someone's head is a big no-no, as it's considered the most sacred part of the body. The sounds of Laos are just as unique as its customs, with the enchanting melody of the keen, a traditional mouth organ made of bamboo, filling the air. We can't talk about Laos without mentioning the food. Sticky rice is the absolute staple, served with fresh herbs and the famously pungent and delicious fermented fish sauce called padek. It's a culinary experience you won't forget. Today, Laos is a one-party state, but since the 1980s, it has been opening up its economy. While challenges like public debt and inflation exist, the country has seen significant growth. The economy, once completely reliant on agriculture, is now diversifying. A key industry is hydroelectric power. By harnessing its powerful rivers, Laos is transforming itself from a landlocked nation into a landlinked one, exporting energy to its neighbors and becoming a vital hub in the region. So if you're planning a visit, where should you go? The jewel in the crown is undoubtedly Luang Prabang. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a perfectly preserved ancient royal capital where you can find stunning temples like Wat Shing Thong and beautiful French colonial architecture. One of the most moving experiences is the daily alms-giving ceremony, or takbat, where hundreds of saffron-robed monks walk silently through the streets at dawn to collect offerings. It's a moment of pure serenity. Just outside Luang Prabang, you can cool off in the turquoise pools of the stunning Quang Si Falls. Heading south, you'll discover another UNESCO site, the ancient Khmer temple ruins of Wat Phu, which actually predate the famous Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Further down the Mekong lies Si Phandone, or the 4,000 Islands, a tranquil archipelago where the river widens and slows. It's the perfect place to relax. Watch for the rare Irrawaddy dolphins, to witness the power of Southeast Asia's largest waterfall, Khon Phaphon Falls. And finally, we return to one of Laos's greatest enigmas, the Plain of Jars, scattered across the Chankon Plateau are thousands of giant stone vessels, some weighing several tons. Who made them, and for what purpose? Archaeologists are still debating whether they were used for burials, food storage, or something else entirely. It's a truly mysterious and awe-inspiring sight, where from its mist-covered mountains and serene rivers to its resilient people and timeless spirituality, Laos is a country that touches the soul. It's a place that teaches you to slow down, to appreciate the quiet moments, and to see the profound beauty and simplicity. It's a journey into a nation quietly embracing the future while holding fast to the ancient traditions that make it so special. Thank you so much for joining us on this exploration of the land of a million elephants. If you enjoyed this journey, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.